the minister aware of this particular situation? What is his take on this?
The file has moved from the minister himself with the recommendation as to whatever has to happen further.
So till that thing is what to say? Now the accusation made to him is confirmed. He will be on duty. He will be working.
See, that is what minister has moved the file to the vigilance department. We are waiting their response as to what has happened.
How long will this take?
By today, by the end of the day, you will get something at least.
But you have to stop. You have to first suspend it.
We need to understand one thing.
You cannot keep a person who is defaulted in your own department. This is the government promoting illegalities.
See, we are not sure whether he has done or not.
Whether he's sure or not sure. No.
We have initiated the action. That is what I am trying to say.
Why out of 10 applications, all 10 were rejected, and why this guy was offered a phone call and he was asked money?
Again. We
But
do
also
not know
you
the
need
date
to
on which
understand.
it has been done. Exact date as to when it
But
has
it is
happened.
common at particular person.
Man, there are so many unemployed youth in Goa. The government has promised so many opportunities.
The number of candidates, 14 candidates applied for junior associate. Only 7 appeared that day, and 13 candidates applied for senior associate.
Can we have that application forms on which they have some rejected, and on what grounds have they not rejected?
You can get it. You just have to apply in the department.
No, we need to see it now.
This is the file of the department.
We just need to know, because there is an allegation against your department.
See,
wherein there is a viral,
in the media,
viral
have you
video.
mentioned the department?
Sorry, yeah, it is
No.
mentioned.
What do you want?
We want to know what is the action and why is the government being so dumb about these corruption happening all over Goa.
As soon as it has come to the notice of the department, as soon as it has come to the notice of the department, we have initiated.
No, we don't want action as action. We want to know if he being suspended or not. We demand an immediate suspension of him. We are not going to wait for vigilance department, because these things are true. You all know it very well. But this vigilance thing is just a matter of delaying things. In some few months back, one minister was told to resign based on corruption because he also offered jobs to youth. Okay? In 2021, the same thing happened. Here, our youth are unemployed. They are fighting, they are looking out for jobs. And when government have opportunities like this, they are completely making it unavailable to these unemployed youth. For what? And we want an answer to this. We will not go based on RTI. We want an answer to this today. What are you doing it right now with this? And the grounds on which those applicants were rejected, we want to know. And who has signed it? Are they technically sound? Is there a scoring sheet?
See, the minutes of the meeting, minutes of the interview meeting can be...
This is not happening only in your department. It's happening in every department.
See,
corruption is there A to Z.
If it is pertaining to my department, you ask questions pertaining
Yeah, so
to my
everywhere you will be talking about the same thing.
Let me be really clear.
युद्धा खातीर आम्ही आमच्या खातीर येवना. आम्ही हांगा न्याय विचारपा आयला. युथांक ते विचारता पैसे. जेन्ना युथ बेकार बसलेले घरा आसा त्यांचे कडेन पैसे ना. हांगा तो डिरेक्टर बसला कामार. ताका सस्पेंड करू ना. आम्ही मागता का सस्पेंड करू जाय. Right now he has to be suspended, and that is going to be the justice to the youth of Goa. If the government of Goa says that they are for the unemployed youth, then we demand a suspension letter from the department coming to the officer. They cannot do this. We condemn this act. Shame, shame.
Shame, shame.
Shame, shame.
Shame, shame.
Shame, shame.
Shame, shame.
रोजगार दो.
न्याय दो.
रोजगार दो.
न्याय दो.
आफ्टर तांकां जेन्ना नजरे केले तेन्ना विजिलन्स कंप्लेंट केल्या म्हणटा.
पण विजिलन्स कंप्लेंट केला सारक्या, पण तांकां खबर आहा ऑफिसर आसा, खंय तरी इन्वॉल्व आसा. कितें करपाचें तांच्यांनी? सस्पेंड करा न्हू. तुम्ही तांकां काडनाका कामांतल्यान. सस्पेंड करा. Till the vigilance is not done, suspend him, so that any other official will think twice. There should be some action. Vigilance is there, fine. We thank them for that. We respect him. Say thank you, sir, for taking an initiative. But what about suspension? Why is he not being suspended? Taka suspend kara no. Till the investigation is not done, let him not join work. Why is he allowed to join work? And magi taka suspend kara. Then remove him from the job. पयली आमी मागता सस्पेन्शन. आणि आमकां जे म्हणसर डिपार्टमेंट म्हणना की सस्पेन्शन लेटर येयला काय सस्पेन्शन मेल येयला फ्रॉम द कन्सर्न अथॉरिटी, आमी हांगसरल्यान भायर सरपाना. Whether we are 10, whether we are 20, whether we are 2 or whether we are 1, we will not leave this office premises and go. We want to see
to what level will this BJP government go in for deep in throwing out the democracy that we are in. So we are waiting to see whether we get the justice to the youth that we are demanding for. We are waiting here.
जॉब आसतना आमकां जॉब मेळना वयल्यान ती डिरेक्टर जी भितर आसल्या बसल्या आमकां सांगता मिटींग कॉल येयला तिका आमी एक क्वेश्चन विचारलेलो की इफ that particular person who is accused is still working and it's a shameful act by the government of Goa that person who is accused is still sitting in his chair and working. This is promotion of illegalities. आता आमच्या भुरगे जे आसा तांकां पयलें म्हणजे जॉब ना आनी तांकां तुमी डिमांड करता बिफोर यू गेट अ जॉब ब्रिंग 50,000 रुपीज ना जाल्यार तुमकां आमी हजाराचे भुरगे आसा हांगा तुमी येवन पळयात आमी ते डिरेक्टराक विचारलेले कितके तुमचे कडेन एप्लिकेशन येयल्या 10 येयलेले म्हणटा आनी 1000 खंय पावले म्हणजे 10चे कडल्यान तुमी कितें 1 लाख मागतले आनी 50,000 एडवान्स मागतले तुमी जॉब दिवपाक कोण 60,000 येता ताका पयली जॉब मेळटलो कोण 40,000 रुपया ताका मागीर तिसरो आनी चवथ्या नंबराचेर दवरतले
आनी जेन्ना आमी हांगा मागपा येता लोकां खातीर आमकां भायर घालता हांव मागता आमी कोणा खातीर येता हांगा आमच्या खातीर येता
आमी न्याय मागपाक येयलेले आमच्या युथा खातीर पुलीस येता आनी आमकां भायर घालता right now the only mechanism that the government has is whenever there is any illegalities or I mean if we go to question someone the police is brought us and our voices are shut. Right now what is happening is our voices are not heard. There is Goa stands on the top of unemployment. Why? Because of corrupt procedures like this.
And this corruption is not only in this department. I will tell you corruption is in every department of BJP Sarkar. We thank the media for bringing this out so that people know that BJP is not a corrupt-free government. Corruption is happening day-to-day basis. Day-to-day basis, corruption is happening, and the common men are being suppressed, and they are denied. They are right. They are just. रोजगार दो.